barbecue pitmasters agree that stable temperatures and precise timing are key to making great barbecue. But even the best grills can have large temperature swings that can ruin the meat. BBQ Guru's line of automatic temperature controllers add oven-like stability to your grill, giving it the precision necessary for perfect barbecue cook after cook. With a BBQ Guru control, you can set your desired cook temp, and when the software senses a temperature shift, it adjusts its fan system to manage the airflow over your coals and keep your cooking temperatures stable throughout the entire process. BBQ Guru devices will also continuously monitor your meat's internal temperature, giving you the ability to know exactly when to remove it from the heat. The DynaQ is controlled with the Bluetooth app. With included pit and food digital thermometer probes, you can make great meals easier. Mount your device anywhere with the versatile mount and get real-time feedback at a glance with the status light ring. The UltraQ has it all. Connect with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth app. Track and graph temperatures for your pit and up to 3 foods. With email or text message alerts, you can monitor your grill virtually anywhere. The technology from BBQ Guru makes outdoor cooking simpler and more satisfying than ever before.